Good morning. Well, hello. I am back with another unboxing from Macy's. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite stores. Let's get into it. Oh, had it upside down. So I purchased online, had it shipped to my house. It came pretty quickly. I used the regular standard. Had to get one of these. This is a KitchenAid hand mixer. I got this to make hummus because I burnt out the motor of two blenders and I don't want to do that again. Secondly, I got me a bunch of adorable socks. So I love wearing boots and I am determined to change my style. So what I wanted to do when I'm wearing my Jeffrey Campbell's, I wanted to wear some sexy ankle socks. It's taken me forever. So I got these horizontal stripe. They are hot. I will be showing you a photo. I got these sexy horizontal stripe and two come in a pack. So they were $4.99 for two. Then I also found some lace ones. So same with the lace. $4.99 for two. Too sexy. And then, what are these? Oh, I think I bought two lace. Ooh, I don't like that color. But I do like the print. So these I end up getting for $7. $7 for two. So I don't know if you see the pattern, but it's sexy. And lastly, I got these. So these are some Ralph Lauren boots. My feet are the length of an 8.5, but because they're so wide, I needed to get a 10.5. And then I'm wearing my cute socks. That is it for today's video, showing you my Macy's haul, mostly booties, of course the hand blender, so that I can stop ruining blenders with making my hummus. And that's it. See you soon.